Umdlomo 3 turns Dintle, and then Tabs is willing to do anything just to save his son's life. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Umdlomo went to Dintle to confront her. Why did she tell Dintle all those things? And then threatened her, telling Guti, I wipe the floor with your face. You must stay away from your family, and you are not special. And then Dintle is trying to feel insecure and confronts Uhloso ukuthi how why didn't you tell me ukuthi ubusy kabanyana? I'm like, what's so special about me? Like, am I just one of your girls? Uhloso's like, but you're very important to me and you know that. And then Kamo David Tidi lies with David, doesn't come clean. Hori didn't tell them Hori is not perfect wife. David assumes that now it's over. And it's only the beginning. Tidi decides she's going to go to the Home Affairs and get the certificate because it seems like Perfect has some monies that are going to pay off. And then Tidi is dressed in black, like Mutlolo Hati, like a widow. The vet says, like, why are you dressed in funeral clothes? Tidi lies. And then Tabs Nosanda there with Ukumo telling him because they didn't get it. They both nodded a match to donate for him. Ukumo is now worried because is he going to die? Sanda is feeling bad and saying good Tabs because they need to do anything to get a donor themselves, even if it means doing something illegal. Tabs pitches this idea to Mdala, but Mdala is like, no, we can't do that. It's risky. You're going to have to pay a lot of people. Tabs decides he's going to go and test Udiro without anyone's permission. Kanti, the doctor will catch him on the act trying to draw Diro's blood. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.